If you're not using your phone right now, please take it out. Go to Google and type Earth, Moon, like this. While you're doing that, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Toastmasters and guests, welcome. Today, I will try to convince you that most diagrams that you see online, or even in textbooks, are simply wrong. So by now, you should have your phone with your Earth, Moon results. Click on the tab that says Images, and you should see something like this. Pictures of Moon, Earth, and as you can see, in most of them, the Earth and the Moon are pretty close together. So just to give you an example, it's something like this. So you have Earth here and the Moon here. And actually they are to scale. The proportion is right. And the distance, 384,400 kilometers. That's perfect. So what is wrong? Well, if this is the Earth, the Moon shouldn't be here. It should be there and there, like 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters away. So from here, 3 meters away, that's the real proportion. So now I guess you trust me, you don't need to go to Google again, but if you type solar system, these are all the pictures that you will see. And they are almost all identical. Just pick one randomly. Wikipedia one. You have the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and so on. To be fair, Wikipedia says that the picture is to scale regarding size, not regarding distance. But I really don't like this thing because we keep seeing these diagrams and at the end, we really believe that planets are so close one to each other. And again, just to give you an idea, if this is the Sun and this is the Earth, it's not 1, 2, 3 meters. I don't know how big your house or your condo or your room is, but Earth will be 10 meters away. 10 meters away. Now, I know that they told you not to do so, but I'm asking all of you to unmute your microphone. Please unmute your microphone because I want you to tell me something. Unmute the microphone. And please tell me, what is this?
Atom.
Atom.
Yes.
Atom,
Model
right?
of an atom.
Everybody said that. So please mute it again to avoid any interruption. So please mute yourself again. Thank you for your answer. It's so easy, so familiar. Everybody knows that this is an atom. Nucleus, proton, neutron, electrons. So even though for quantum mechanics, this is not the real representation, but statistically, the first electron will not be here, never. It will be far and far and far away. So if this is the size of the nucleus, the first electron, statistically, will be 50 kilometers away. Kilometers, not meters, 50 kilometers away. So even if you know that the atom is pretty empty, there's just empty space, you tend to forget how really empty it is. So I've seen this one when I was teaching science, biology, physics, chemistry in high school. All of the textbooks, they had this diagram because all of you know that. And never, ever, they wrote not to scale. Never, ever. Even one engineering book I have from the first year of college, in chemistry. There's this diagram, it doesn't say not to scale. So what should we do? Should we, burn our books or throw them away? Of course not. But keep in mind that most of the diagrams are wrong because they cannot fit the whole proportion inside. But they should at least write not to scale. So today what I'm going to tell you is when your son or daughter comes to you asking for help in the homeworks, go through their books, find one of these diagrams, and tell them that reality is different and that the diagrams usually are not to scale. Back to Vanessa, our chairman of the meeting.